Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Jamie and I make cleaning and organizing videos every Sunday and Wednesday. We are a military family currently living overseas in Germany. If you're here for cleaning motivation, grab your coffee, grab your brooms, and let's get into it.
Got me feeling the air, and under these autumn leaves, what a breeze. Got me shaking and loosening up after all of your summer teas. Pretty please, we don't need to rush ahead or get too mad. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about.
So I am putting things away in my office closet, which is where we keep our dress uniforms for the military and the millions of accessories that go with it. But it's also where I like to store some extra clothes. Now I have this little trick where if I don't wear clothes for a while, I move them to this closet, and if I don't come looking for them in this closet, I then donate them. Or as you will see, I pile them in boxes to one day be donated.
You're so carefree. Leave perfection, get your head straight. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying safe.
I have an entire tower of those little plastic drawers, and I used to use them in my preschool classroom, but I'm currently not teaching, and I need an idea of what to do with them.
Once you set that fire into motion, you can move oceans. You can move oceans. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Ooh, you possess fire, you hold rain, but you forget about staying sane. Oh, we know love as we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain.
I'm currently just going through a craft box, just making sure there's no trash in there, and I found my Disney World name tags, which don't really have a home, but obviously I can't get rid of them.
We know love as we know pain. Your lack of will is your ball and chain. I was lost or I was found.
For a desk with so much organization, it's a little ironic that it's kind of a mess on top, but I'm really a piler, I've come to notice. I like to pile things near the location they need to be organized in, but I'm not really good at the whole one-touch, pick it up, put it where it belongs thing. I just pile things per se at the top of my stairs or in my office to be gone through at a later date, and then I regret it when that time comes.
Needed to see a way out somehow. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me.
We have never-ending paperwork in our house, as I'm sure many families do, but in the Army you're taught to never throw anything away, and my husband takes that almost too literally. So I try to keep our paperwork as organized as possible. That bright red folder is all of the things that someone might need if they were taking care of my dog, which happens quite often. Before the pandemic, of course, we live in Europe, so we liked to travel, so we would sometimes leave our dog with someone, or a lot of times we take him with. Europe is really pet friendly. And then if my husband or myself are in the field or away from home for the army and something comes up for the other one and they have to be away from home as well, we need someone to take care of our dog on short notice, so I like that to be readily available for anyone to find.
Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith, to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. What's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by someone.
I'm not sure what maniac decided that the baseboards of my second level should be made out of carpet, but this maniac made this decision recently because all of my carpet was brand new before moving in. But I can't just wipe it down, not that wiping down baseboards is fun, but instead I have to vacuum it. So that's a great time.
We both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? If I had an option to be someone else, I would, and let go of you. I know that I'm obvious, yet I'm made this way, but why didn't I stay when I had the chance?
And these are the boxes full of clothes that I intend to donate or sell. I haven't really decided yet. But since I've just admitted I like to pile clutter, I need to move these someplace where it's not easy for me to just lie things on top of this random stack of boxes.
Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy that you don't let. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain? The only one that's left in the rain. The only one that's left in the rain. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one
You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination.
If you watched my last video of my massive military gear organization, you would have seen that I left this room a little disheveled. I just couldn't deal with it anymore. Today I just had the right amount of caffeine, better motivation, and a better attitude to just get this stuff done.
I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
In and out of love, never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
So the big giant burrito is actually a mattress topper, and I keep it because it fits perfectly on top of our air mattress. When we lived stateside, we still lived far away from both of our families, so we often had guests, so I wanted it to be a comfortable space for our guests to stay, but we've not had the ability to invest in guest room furniture, so this was a nice alternative when family came to stay.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires, fires around ourselves. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires.
And that's just the bin that I store the air mattress in and some spare bedding. So I'm putting some bedding that we pulled out away and just making sure there's nothing else in there that I've forgotten about.
It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
And when we don't have guests, which is usually, I use this room as a giant closet more or less, so it's also where we store our luggage.
We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat, cause we're scared of the silence. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. We keep on talking and talking, talking and talking. Memories come back when I'm with you. It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
And I am pulling my suitcase out and starting my long process of packing because I'm going to the States for a few weeks. I'd forgotten about some makeup that had ended up in that room, and I'm just going through it to make sure none of it is any good, and I end up throwing 98% of it away. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and say hi down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next upload. We'll see you there.
When things are going right, you seem to have the time. But when it's hard, you just grow cold up.